Mas maganda pa tayo sa araw. Welcome to Mondays with Patmi. I am Patmi Belia Ruby Vivar. At nasa 5th episode na tayo ngayon. Tapos na yung ating Kadayawan series at start na naman tayo ng ating Mooncake Festival. Darating na ngayon. At nandito ngayon ang ating kaibigan na matagal na nakasama natin sa Davao City Chinatown Development Council noon, ang presidente ng Filipino-Chinese Heritage Cultural Society Inc., si Mr. Edgar Te. Welcome!
Good afternoon. This is an ambush interview to.
Ambush interview.
Ambush interview. Anyway, thank you Patmi for this afternoon's yung pag-meet natin kasi we have a lot to discuss and specifically isa doon is the Mooncake Festival.
Correct. Kasi ang Filipino-Chinese Heritage and Cultural Society ay parang nagre-revitalize na naman, 'di ba? Parang active na naman tayo ulit. So, isa 'yan ang ating Mooncake Festival. Kailan ba ang Mooncake Festival?
Mooncake Festival is, I think, to be exact, September 17.
17. Pero tayo dito sa Davao, isa-celebrate natin kailan?
September 16.
16 sa eve of the Mooncake Festival. Yes. Saan natin gagawin?
Sa Gaisano Mall.
Wow.
We are fortunate to have Gaisano Mall as our partner, no? And Davao Chonghua High School.
Oh, thank you. Ay, speaking of Davao Chonghua High School, isn't it, di ba, 100 years din this year? Ang Chonghua High School, which is product kayo ng Chonghua High School, yes.
It was established 1924.
Wow.
And this year is 2024, so that is exactly 100 years. No?
100 years. So kailan ba?
We're going to celebrate it September 29.
September din.
September 29.
So talagang ito yung time na re-revive natin yung ating Filipino-Chinese heritage. Kasi, di ba nag-umpisa po yan, Davao Chinese School?
Yes, it started as Davao Chinese High School.
High School, oo.
Then, I think during yung sa martial law, na-change siya into Davao Central High School.
Davao Central High School.
And eventually, just a few years back, they decided to change it to Davao Chonghua High School.
Ano ibig sabihin ng Chonghua High School?
Chong is middle.
Oh.
Hua is parang, kasi we call ourselves from China as Hua Kiao. So, parang entrante or immigrant. Parang
so yung mga immigrant na mga Chinese na nandito, yan ang school.
Yes.
Ayan. Kasi maalala ko noon, kasi ako Davao City High School, kami ni Oka. So DCHS, pareho.
Pareho ang Chinese
City at DCHS, diba? So sabi ninyo kaya pinalitan ng Chonghua.
Kasi from Davao Central, pinalitan siya into Chonghua kasi ang sinabi from the school personnel, sabi nila, during that time na Davao Central, ang daming males na nahatid sa ibang central school.
Kasi dati yung Kapitan Tomas is Davao Central yan.
So they decided to make it specific na clear na
Davao
Chinese school din siya, so Chonghua High School.
Wow, so 100 years. Ano pong mangyayari niyan? Malalagyan ba yan ng Parang dapat ma-declare yan siya na as a historical landmark.
Actually, we already submitted documents to NCCA for declaring the school as a
historical landmark. Yes, oo. And I think si Councilor Pilar Braga, the chair of Committee on Education and Culture and Arts, pushing for that.
She was the one who really pushed us. Hindi kami, it's the other way around.
Correct, di ba? Kasi, at saka maalala ko, meron kayong pinakita sa akin doon na more than a century old acacia tree.
Meron din, may naiwan na isa.
Di ba?
Ano mo Tagalog ba ko, no?
Bitaw, pwede kita magbinisaya ko.
Nabilin dito isa ka acacia, which is a very old acacia tree, na-inspect na sa DNR.
Tapos,
and I think we have documents already to validate na sa DNR. So, we're just waiting for the official document na lang.
Parang century-old tree. Tapos dapat hindi yan siya i-cut?
Hindi. Actually, I think the school is taking care of it na more na sakit. So, kailangan ginagawa nila, they are taking care of it para dili siya mamatay.
Correct. Kasi para
gulang-gulang na yun.
Para more centuries pa.
Correct.
At ang school ay gano'n ba kadami ngayon yung population? May idea kayo?
Unfortunately, gamay lang.
Gamay pa lang.
Gamay lang. Nag-string siya. Siguro, due to the changing times na daghan na pong Chinese school nag-sprout diri sa Davao.
Ilan
You
po ba
have
mga Chinese school?
Stella, Christian, Colegio de San Ignacio. You have yung katong sa ngaan ni Michael Ang, this is a Christian colleges
Christian colleges.
of Southeast
So
Asia.
considered ano pala yan, Chinese
Yes, Chinese
school
school.
also. Ayan. At di ba ang nag-head ngayon sa Davao Chongwa si Dr. Rose Fundador.
Yes, who
Hi, ma'am.
happens to be one of the, I think, principal sa Philippine Science
Philippine Science
High
High School. At naging teacher ko po yan sa science sa Ateneo.
School. Okay.
Kaya si Ma'am Rose. And she's also a Dato Bago awardee.
Si Ma'am
Ayan,
Rose?
si Ma'am Rose Fundador
Okay,
is a
good.
Dato Bago awardee. Yan.
Good, good.
So, ngayon, pag ang celebration ninyo, sana nandiyan na yung declaration din, no? Na
Hopefully,
parang heritage, ano tawag, historical
landmark.
landmark. Oo, kasi 100 years old na.
Siguro ang significance dyan is we will be able to put a marker, no?
Okay.
A visible marker big enough to be recognized. No?
Yes. Sino nga pa yung mga prominent natin na
Eh,
mga
daghan.
alumni ng Chonghua High
O daghan
School?
kayo, siyempre, the painter Ang Kyukok,
Ang Kyukok.
owner of
O,
Jollibee,
national artist si Ang
Yes.
Kyukok. O, so may
On-
national artist tayo dito.
owner of Jollibee.
Ay, the owner of si Jollibee ay
si
taga
Jollibee.
Chonghua. Sino pa po yung mga ano, yung mga...
Daghan bagya pong prominente in sa medical field. In fact, I think NCCC, the owner, si Sir Henry.
Yung
I
founder of
think
NCCC.
from the old man to Henry, si Henry also studied in Chinese school.
So marami talaga tayo. Yung the
Yan.
pillars ng economic development ng Davao ay karamihan Davao Chinese, no? Mga
Yes.
Davaoenyo Chinese.
You call
Ang tawag, Chinoy.
you call Phil Chai, whatever. No?
Oo, whatever. Pero lahat tayo Davao. Pag nandito na sa Davao, Davaoenyo na ang
Dawin yun.
tawag.
Dawin na.
Ayan. So, anong mangyayari sa ating Mooncake Festival? Ano ba yung
It's a
ano ba
yearly,
yung Mooncake
it's
Festival?
a yearly na what you call this activity sa I think all over China, no?
Oh.
And it includes overseas Chinese. We celebrate the Mooncake Festival.
Ano po ang ginagawa pag Mooncake Festival?
Usually ang Mooncake Festival na like ang dula-dula, dice, no?
Dice.
There's a dice game. Previously ang daog na sa dice game is the mooncake. Katong hopya.
Mm-mm.
But through the years, murag nasumulan naman sila sikaw kopya. So,
Unsa na ang
they
price?
decided to include monetary, kwarta na po.
Wow! May kwarta.
Oh.
Parang ano pala ito, kwarta or mooncake.
Yes,
Oh, yan. So, ano pa po ang mga gawin? May games tayo. So, doon
and-
sa Gaisano Mall, sasama yung Davao Chongwa.
Yes, so they
Oo.
will come up with yung video nila for the celebrations, 100 years of course. Then atay gamay nga lion dance, no?
And meron
And
tayong
maybe
mga mooncake.
a few Chinese dances that they are preparing to be presented during the day.
And then we will have games also.
Yes, of course.
And everybody is welcome to join us.
Yes.
Sa mall, di ba?
yes,
Kasi
of
sa
course.
mall naman yan, sa
Nasa
Gaisano
Atrium,
Mall.
Sa Atrium.
Sa Atrium sa mall, sa September 16 po yan, ang Bisperas
Sa hapon.
ng
no?
Mooncake Festival.
I think it's going to start at 2 p.m.
Pero ano ba yung symbolism ng mooncake na yan na parang unity?
Unity. Because I think it dates back to the olden times wherein yung mooncake that serve as a parang kanang communication. I think during those times na may problema, para di sila may balance sa kalaban, they put the message inside the mooncake. And they pass the mooncake to the other community on the other side of the provinces or whatever para ma-inform sila, oy, bantay mo ha, delikado, something like that.
So yan pala. So
the
yan palang
significance.
significance ng mooncake noon, ginagamit may message dun sa loob.
Yeah.
And ngayon ang message natin para sa mga taga Davao, from the Chinese community, ano po ang message ng ating mooncake ngayon?
One word, unity.
Wow, unity. Because dito sa Davao, mga Davaoenyo, talagang nagkakaisa.
Yes.
Buo yung ating social cohesion. Kahit na diverse tayo na mga communities. And with that, thank you very much for joining us sa Mondays with Patmi. Again, ako si Patmi Bello Ruinivar at lagi nating alalahanin na mas masarap pa tayo sa mooncake and mas maganda pa tayo sa araw.
Thank you.
When there are times Eternal vigilance is the price of freedom.